In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change a button color in Squarespace. Now, as you can see, we have a website up right now, and I want to be able to change the color of this button right here. So what we need to do to be able to do this, we actually need to go over to the top right-hand corner where it says Site Styles. Go ahead and click on that. This is then going to bring up a menu screen, and we actually want to click the colors button right here. Open that up. And what we need to do is select the color theme that we are currently using in this section. And as you can see, it is telling us that we are using the lightest one theme for this section. So we want to go ahead and edit the color themes for the lightest one on the right hand side. So if we go ahead and click the edit pen, and what this is going to do is bring up all of the different color options for all of the different elements inside that lightest one color theme. And basically, if we scroll down, we are going to come across the button section right here across the 3 different types of buttons that we have. Now I know that I'm using the secondary button background right now, and it has a background of black and a secondary button text of green. And if we wanted to change the button color, I would just come into where it says secondary button background, click on that, change it over to green. And as you can see, the background has changed. And if we change the secondary button text to black, we have now changed the button text to black. And that is essentially how you can change button colors in Squarespace. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.